are here on the behalf of the Department of Public Health of Connecticut to educate you on how to keep Connecticut safer and healthier by preventing the spread of the enterovirus in our healthcare facilities.
Enterovirus D68 is a respiratory disease that affects most children in the 4 to 5 age group. We at DPH want you to be better prepared to be able to fight the disease by being able to identify it at its early stages and be aware of its symptoms that may include fever, running nose, sneezing, coughing, body and muscle ache.
It's transmitted through close contact with an infected person or through contact with a contaminated surface and then touching your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. The Department of Public Health believes that the best way to prevent the spread of this disease in Connecticut is to encourage all you Connecticut residents to wash hands for at least 30 seconds, avoid contact with affected people, and clean all recently and frequently touched surfaces.
Vaccine or medicine for this disease, we, the Department of Public Health, want you to take these preventative steps fairly soon.
With your compliance to practicing these precautions, you can lower the amount of patients checking into CT healthcare facilities because of interviral infections.